So hey guys, Alex here, Technology 101, and today I'll be showing you how to change the mouse cursor size on your Mac. Now, this could be helpful if you just like it that way, or if you cannot see stuff as well. So you're going to want to go to System Preferences, and then you'll see some icons like General, Desktop and Screensaver, Language and Region, Mission Control. So you're going to want to click on Accessibility. Once you've clicked on accessibility, you'll see some options here like general, voiceover, zoom, display, speech, descriptions, captions, audio, dictation, Siri, keyboard, mouse and trackpad, and switch control. Now, you have to go to display, I think it is. Display. And you want to change the cursor size. So you can adjust that slider to make your cursor bigger. And you can make it the largest or the smallest. I usually keep mine around the second bar, but that's just personal preference. Now, if you sometimes cannot find where your mouse cursor is, you want to check the box that says shake mouse pointer to locate. And then that'll pretty much show you whenever you shake your mouse pointer where it is because it'll enlarge it. So, bye.